PIDG ang pangunahing unit ng Philippine National Police na sinasabi natin mangunguna doon sa contingency plan na i-implement natin. So handang-handa naman ang Philippine National Police, lalo na po yung ating CIDG personnel, na kung sakasakaling maitap na sila ng NCBP-CTC na implement yung ICC warrant. At ito ipapatupad at sila handang-handa naman.
The PNP spokesperson further added that the warrant for De La Rosa's arrest may be implemented in two ways. The first option, Tuanyo said, is extradition. The second option is direct surrender under Republic Act 9851 or the Philippine Act on Crimes Against International Humanitarian Law, Genocide, and other crimes against humanity. The NCBP-CTC would then task the Department of Justice, the Department of Foreign Affairs, the PNP, and the NBI with implementing the directive, which Tuanyo said is yet to happen. So the question now, can Bato actually just leave the Senate? Well, based on the PNP's update, he can. But the senator remains holed up in the Senate. He actually spent the night there after his encounter with the NBI on Monday.
Hindi kayo nakatulog po. Sir, bakit? Are you worried kaya hindi kayo nakakatulog?
Currently, De La Rosa's camp is exhausting all legal remedies to prevent his arrest. There is a petition filed before the Supreme Court where De La Rosa is seeking protection from the ICC warrant. His lawyers continue to argue that only a local court can issue a warrant for the senator. The SC, they say, needs to clarify this.
It is very important so that the tension would be at least stopped or at least lessened. So that while the petition is, the main petition is still being deliberated, there is a TRO that will be issued hopefully, and that would stop the PNP and other government agencies.
Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano maintains that De La Rosa will continue to have the Senate's protection unless a local court issues a warrant for his arrest. This is why De La Rosa is determined to fight his impending capture.
Kahit sino, tanungin natin sino Pilipino gusto gano'n mangyari. We will exhaust all available means, legal means. Kailangan gawin natin lahat para hindi na tayo madala doon sa daig.
An emotional De La Rosa even went as far as to ask President Bongbong Marcos not to surrender him to the ICC.
Hindi lang para sa akin, kundi para na rin sa lahat ng mga Pilipino na malagay sa ganitong sitwasyon. Tao lang ako. Hindi ako robot. Hindi ako makina. Tao lang ako. May appeal is sincere to the President. Huwag niya akong ipadala sa dahil. Kung meron akong nanagutan, panagot mo dito sa ating local court. Huwag doon sa Banyaga.
Kapatid mobile journalist Mary Mon Reyes, we